Hi, here is a quick demo of real estate lead management software by Solid Performers. In this demo, I'll be giving you a complete clarity on how you need to use Solid Performers for your business in order to manage your leads, site visit, customers, as well as property details. You can also manage your finances like income and expense easily, and you can mark your employees timesheet, that is your employees attendance also can be managed using this. Let me start from dashboard. So in the dashboard, you will get to know about the overview about your leads, like what is the today's lead received and all those things. And you can also see your target versus achievement of your sales team members. In the below session, the payment received for this month as well as the last month will be displayed. And you can also see the deal pipeline for the next 1 year. So this is the beauty of Solid Performance lead management system, because you can easily predict what is the expected business that you are going to get for the next 1 year. Let me move on to the lead module. This is the primary module of Solid Performance, and you can add a lead manually or you can do bulk upload in case if you are having all your existing data managed in an Excel sheet or something. And we can integrate all your lead sources. So these lead sources can be Facebook leads, Instagram leads, or even from your Just Dial, 99 Acres, Magic Bricks. Any of these lead sources can be added directly to the CRM without even adding anything manually. You can also include and embed your website lead forms, and all the leads from your website also will land on the system directly. So once a lead is added, you can do the update. So let me try and add a lead manually so that I can show you how you can manage it effectively. In the add new page, all these default fields we have given, but in case if you want to add any new fields, you can add it on your own. We have provided you with the option to add all these fields in the settings panel so that you can add it very easy. In case if you don't want any of these fields, you can remove it, or if you want to disable certain fields, you can also disable those as well. So basically whatever fields you want to display here, the same thing will be displayed, and we have got a mobile app for both Android and iOS as well, and whatever customization you are making it over here, the same will be visible in those modules as well. So once a lead is added over there, you can perform follow-up with the lead. Let us consider this lead David. In case if he is interested and if he is willing to go for a site visit, then you can mark an update by changing the stage into site visit requested. As I told already, these stages are also completely customizable as per your needs. So whatever stages you want it here, we can display those stages, and whatever status you want to display over here, this also can be customized. So I'm just changing it into site visit requested spoke. So he is asking for site visit maybe on Sunday. So I'm just selecting the date, and I'm writing an update here saying that he want to visit ABC property. Now what will happen is, once this lead is added and updated, on that particular day the system will give me a reminder saying that I have to perform follow for this lead. That will be displayed here in the bell icon, and when I click on that particular lead and go to the view section and go to the follow-ups, I can be able to see what is the previous update that I have done. And not just that, in case if you have added 10 follow-up updates for this particular lead, all the follow-up updates will be visible over here along with when is the last updated date and time. In the 360-degree details, you will also be able to see more data like follow-up updates. You can also add notes. You can also upload some files, like this can be a rental agreement or even the property pics, whatever he is interested in, all those things can be added in the upload section. And in the history section, the system will give you an idea of who are all the executives who has handled this lead previously. And in the log section, you can see all the message communication that has happened with this lead already. Now, once this lead is qualified, for example, this lead is moving to the next stage like site visit requested, after that site visit completed. Now, once this is done, what you can do is you can convert this lead into a site visit. So now in site visit, when you are converting, all the data previously got filled in the lead module will get transferred directly into the site visit module. In the site visit, you also have got the option to add the deal value, what is the probability of closure, and the expected closure date. Based on this is what your deal pipeline in the dashboard will get generated. In case if a particular lead is interested in multiple site visits, so you can also create multiple site visits for a particular lead and link it with various properties. From the site visit module, again when they are qualified, when they are okay to make the payment, and when they are moving on to the payment stage, then what you can do is you can convert this prospect or site visit into a customer. When you are converting, again it is the same process. In one click you can get the thing converted. So basically what you can do is you can convert a lead into a site visit and site visit into a customer. And at any point in time, if you want to see the property details, all the property details will be available here. Now apart from this, you can also do lots of automations, because mainly in real estate industry, automation is one of the main important thing which we are missing out. In order to do the automation, you need to go to settings. Let me show you some of the basic automations which are available. So you can do email automation, WhatsApp automation, or SMS automation. Apart from that, when a new lead is allocated, you can do automated allocations and automated follow-ups. Like that, multiple automations can be done. In order to have a complete clarity on these automations, you can go through the separate automation video which we are having it in our channel. Let me show you an example in the email automation. The same is available for other automations as well. So in the email automation module, in case if you want to add a new trigger, so you can click on add new and you can give any name. So I'm just adding it as new lead. And for what module? So it is like I'm selecting whenever a lead is created, then send a mail to a lead. As I told, the same function is possible for WhatsApp and SMS also. But for WhatsApp and SMS, you need to configure the respective APIs. So now here I'm selecting lead, created lead, then send a mail immediately. There is no delay. I don't want to keep any delay. And I'm selecting what should be the email subject, what should be the trigger message. Over here, you can also use short quotes. Short quotes basically means if a person named Sam is making an inquiry, and if I select the short quote name, then what will happen is the mail will be sent like, "Hi Sam, we have received your inquiry," like that. Now this is just one trigger. In a similar way, you can also create another trigger, like whenever a lead is created, but you send this mail after 1 day. So like this, you can create even a sequence of 100 emails or 100 WhatsApp automations also, so that the lead will be intimated about your achievements, recently completed projects, and many more things, and they will not miss out about your product updates or your business update. This will keep them engaged so that they will automatically become your customer, or whenever they want your service in the future, they will come to you instead of going and searching out in Google. This is one of the most effective lead nurturing process, and that will help you increasing your sales as well as the conversion by almost 40 to 50% without increasing your sales budget. Under the finance module, you or your team member can add the income and expenses, and in timesheet all the attendance will be captured. In the properties, you can have your basic property details, like what is the property name details, along with that whether the property is open or whether it is an upcoming property or pre-launch property. Like that, you can have all these data. You can also add custom fields as per your requirement, as we informed earlier, for all these 4 modules. And we have got a variety of reports based on your requirement, and in case if you need any additional report also, we can get it generated using the new custom reports. Under the users module, you can create new users, and whenever you are creating a user, you will be allocating role to them. So based on this role, the access will be restricted. The account that I am showing you now is an admin account, and so all the details are available here. But in case if they are a sales executive, then only the leads will be visible to them. And in case if they are the field executive, only the site visit will be visible to them, and only whatever site visit is allocated to them, only those will be visible to them, and not everything. In that way, all the data privacy can be managed in an effective way. I hope by now you got a complete idea about Solid Performance Real Estate Lead Management System. You just try using it for trial, and only if it suits all of your requirement, then you can subscribe and upgrade it to your paid version. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel to get more featured video updates like this. Thank you.